Now started. Exercise 13.8 Surface area and volume. In the first question, volume of sphere. That is, a sphere is just like shape of ball. Ball is the shape of sphere. The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the questions, we have given that radius is 7 centimeter and second question radius is 0.636 centimeter. Find the volume of sphere. The volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3, the value of pi 22 upon 7, and the given question radius will be 7 and that is 70 power 3, that is 7 is 3 times. 7 से 7 cancel, divided by 3, the multiplier 4, 22, 7 and 7 is 4, 3, 1, 2, that is the 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21, 1 and 3 centimeter cube. Very simple question. Only the formula of the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of radius and find the volume of sphere. And in the second question, also the given the radius is equal to 0.63. That is the volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3, the value of pi is 22 upon 7 and radius will be, in the given question is 0.63, that is 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63, 7 is 0.09, 3 is 0.03, multiplier of 422, 0.03, 0.63 is 1.05 meter cube approximately, something this. So very simple question, only we find the volume of sphere. The formula of volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have given that radius is equal to 7 centimeter and the second question is radius is equal to 0.6 and put the value of the radius and find the volume of sphere. Okay. देखिए, find the volume of spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter and 0.2 meter. First question is diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. The radius is equal to half of the diameter is t by 2, that is radius is equal to 28 upon 2 is 14 centimeter. Find the volume of sphere. Capacity and volume of sphere same will be. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The 4 by 3, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. The radius is will be 14 into 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14. Upon में 3. Multiplication of 4, 22, 2, 14 into 14 is 34496. Is 34496. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 2, 3 eights are 24 and 2 by 3 centimeter. It is 11498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. And the next is, second is diameter will be 0.21 meter, that is radius is equal to 0.21 upon 2. That is volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 0.21 upon 2, 0.21 upon 2 and 0.21 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 say 11 times, 7 3s are 03 and 3 says 0.01. Multiplication of 11, 0.01, 0.21 into 0.21 is 0.004851 meter cube. Very simple question. Only we put the value only for radius and pi, the value of pi has been given is 22 upon 7. Therefore, the volume of sphere. Diameter is, like radius is equal to half of the diameter and same is radius is equal to half of the diameter. We put the value pi and radius, we find the volume of sphere. Next question is the diameter of mechanical ball is, that is the mechanical ball diameter will be 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.5 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. First we find the mass of the ball, that is the volume of the sphere. That is the mass of the ball. Mass of the ball. That is the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r. 4 by 3. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. That is the diameter is equal to 4.2. That is radius is equal to half of the diameter is equal to d by 2 is 4.2 upon 2 is 2.1 centimeter. That is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2. 7 3s are 0.3 times and 3 is 0.1 times. The multiplication of 4, 22.1, 2.1 and 2.1 is equal to 38.808 centimeter cube. Second, we find the mass of the density of the metal if 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8.9 gram. Therefore, mass of the ball is 38.808 centimeter cube is equal to 8.9 into 38.808. That is the multiplication of 38.808 into 8.9 is 345.39. 345.39 gram. So first we check the question. The diameter of the mechanical ball is 4.2 cm. That is the mechanical ball. The diameter will be 4.2 cm. Radius is the half of the diameter, that is 4.2 upon 2 is equal to 2.1 cm. We find the what is the mass of the ball. That is the mass of the ball is volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r. That is the 4 by 3 value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius will be half of the diameter is 2.1. 2.1 into r to power 3. That is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2. Multiplication we can solve 38.808 centimeter. In the question is density of the metal. That is we find the density of the metal. That is a 1 centimeter cube is 8.9 gram. That 1 centimeter is equal to 8.9 gram. That is the volume of the sphere will be 38.808. That is 38.808 centimeter cube is equal to 8.9 into 38.808. That is 345.39 gram. Okay. The next question will be diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. That is the earth and this is the shape of moon. This is the earth and this is the shape of the moon. We have given that the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. So let us suppose the diameter of earth is x. Diameter of earth is x. So therefore d is equal to x. And therefore, we according to question, the diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. That is, diameter of moon is equal to x by 4. That is, d is equal to x by 4. We have given that the diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. We suppose that the diameter of earth will be x and the diameter of moon will be x by 4. So diameter of earth will be capital D. We suppose that in the capital D is equal to x and the diameter of moon is denoted by small d is equal to x by 4. That is the radius of the earth will be half of the diameter, that is d upon 2. That is radius is equal to x upon 2. In the next, the moon, the diameter of moon is x by 4. The radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is radius is equal to x by 4 into 2 is equal to x by 8. We have to prove that we have to find that the fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon. That is volume of moon upon volume of earth. That is fraction of. So that is volume of moon. Both shape will be the square. The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the volume of moon, the radius is denoted by small r and the volume of earth, the radius is denoted by capital R. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. Both shape will be square. The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But in the moon, we have to denote the radius will be small r and the earth we denoted the radius will be capital R. 4 by 3 से 4 by 3 cancel, pi to pi cancel. The small r radius of moon will be x by 8 whole cube and the radius of the sphere is x by 2 whole cube. That is x cube upon में 8 into 8 into 8 into the reciprocal divide is change into multiply, that is the reciprocal 2 into 2 into 2 upon में x cube, cancel of x cube, 2 to the 4 4 to the 8, that is 1 upon 64, that is 1 ratio 64, that is 1 fraction निकालना तो 1 upon में 64. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, मून का डायमीटर अर्थ के डायमीटर का 1/4 है and the fraction निकालना तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ, we find the fraction 1 upon में 64. देखिए how many liters of milk can a calculated question is how many liters of milk can be hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter. That is the hemispherical bowl. That is a hemispherical bowl. The diameter of this bowl will be 10.5 centimeter. First we find the volume of this bowl. This is a hemispherical bowl. The volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of hemisphere half of the volume of sphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. Diameter will be 10.5 centimeter. Radius will be the half of the diameter is 10.5 upon 2. So 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2. 2 से 2 cancel, 2 से 11 times cancel, 7 से 0.5, 3 से 0.5. The multiplication of 11.5, 10.5 into 10.5 is 606.375 upon 2. 606.375 upon 2, that is 303.1875 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is converted to liter, that is 303.1875 upon 1000 liter, that is 0.303 meter. Very simple question. The volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Diameter is 10.5. The diameter radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is 10.5 upon 2. We put the value is 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2 into 10, that is 606.375 upon 2. That is 303.1875 centimeter cube. Divided by 1000 centimeters cube is converted to the liter, that is 0.303 liter. Okay. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron shape. This question is hemispherical tank. This is the shape of hemispherical tank. Is 1 centimeter thick. Thickness is equal to 1 centimeter. That is the hemispherical tank. Okay. Thickness is 1 centimeter and radius will be 1 meter. The inner area, find the volume of iron used to make the tank. This is a circular ring type cylinder. That is this is circular ring type hemisphere. That is the volume is equal to volume of iron used is equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. That is the circular ring. In the shape of circular ring, all formula used is r cube minus r cube. In the cylinder, we use pi r cube minus r cube into h. In the sphere, semi-sphere, we use 2 by 3 pi r cube minus r. That is the 2 by 3. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. The 1 meter is converted to centimeter, that is small r is equal to 100 centimeter and capital R, radius will be capital R. 100 plus 1 is equal to capital R is 101 centimeter. The value put 101 cube minus 100 cube. So value is 44 upon 21. 101 into 101 into 101 10. 30301 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 44 upon 21 into, that is 30301. 44 into 30301 is 1333244 divided by 21. 21 divided by this is 63487.809 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is converted to meter cube. 63487.809 divided by 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube, that is 0.06347 meter cube. बट यही आपको ध्यान रखना कि थिकनेस, जहां भी आपको थिकनेस दी हुई है वहां पर सर्कुलर रिंग बनेगी, तो दैट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ सर्कुलर रिंग टाइप हेमिस्फीयर, दैट इज 2/3 pi r³ minus r³. The capital radius will be this is the thickness will be 1 centimeter and radius will be 1 meter. 1 meter is converted to centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. The small radius will be 100 centimeter and the capital radius will be 100 plus 1, that is 101 centimeter. We put the value and find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Okay. Start. Next question is find the volume of sphere whose surface area will be 154 centimeters square. That is the shape of the sphere. The volume of we find the volume of sphere and we have to given that surface area of sphere. First we have to find out the radius of the sphere. That is the surface area of sphere formula will be 4 pi r square. So surface area of sphere will be 154 is equal to 4. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. So 154 into 7 and 4 into 22 is equal to r square. That is 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 44 और 2 से कैंसिल रहेगा, 2 7s are 14 and that is 7 upon 4 is equal to r square. That is r square is equal to 7 upon 7 into 7, that is 7 upon 7, 7 into 7 upon 4, that is r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. First we find out the surface area of sphere. We have to given that surface area of sphere. The surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. That is the 4 pi r square. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square. R square 4 into 22 cos 20 into 7. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 14 और 2 7 ऊपर 7 7 नीचे की तरफ 4, that is radius is 7 upon 2 centimeter. तो volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is volume is equal to 4 by 3. The volume, the value of pi will be 22 upon 7 and radius will be 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 say 11 times and 7 से 7 cancel, that is 3. 7 7 the 49, 49 into 11 99 9 539 upon 3. The 539 upon 3 is 179 and 2 by 3 centimeter. 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 28 and 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay. First we find the radius and second we find the volume of the sphere. देखिए कि dome of a building in the form of a hemisphere. Dome of the building is the form of a hemisphere. That is the dome of the building. Okay. That is the dome of the building is the form of a hemisphere. In the inside was whitewashed. अंदर whitewashed. The total cost of whitewash is 498.96 rupees. Total cost will be 498.96. So the average cost is rupees 2 is equal to 1 meter square. तो rupees 498.96 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 498.96, that is 2 to the 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 6, 249.48 meters square. That is the curved surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, a dome. That is a dome. That is this dome. The total cost of whitewash for this dome surface, curved surface, for 498.96. The cost will be rupees 2 per meter square. That is the 498.96 will be the cost. That is the meter square, rupees converted to meter square. That is the 498.96 divided by 2. That is 249.48 meter square. That is the surface area of hemisphere is 249.48 meter square. That is the surface area of hemisphere will be formula for 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius square is equal to 249.4. Solving the problem is equal to r square is equal to 249.48 into 7 upon 2 into 22. That is the 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. 22. 2 से 1 1. 2 से तो r square is equal to 5.67 into 7. That is the multiplication of 5.67 into 7 is, that is 39.69. 39.69. तो radius is equal to root के अंदर 39.69. So radius of this is 39.69 is equal to this square root of 6.3. That is the radius of this hemisphere will be 6.3 meter. So first we find the surface area and second we find the volume. So first we find the surface area of hemisphere will be that is the 249.48 centimeter square. We have solving this problem and we find the radius of hemisphere. Radius of this hemisphere is 6.3. Again last we find the volume of hemisphere. That is the volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3. The value of pi will be 22 upon 7 and radius we have to show that will be 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. 0.9. 3 3s are 3. So 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Solving this 2 into 22.3 0.6.3 is equal to 523.908 meter cube. The question, if you repeat the question, a dome of a building in the form of a, this is a dome of the building. In the shape, this is the shape of a hemisphere. The total cost of in the inner cut surface on a whitewashed will be 498.9. The cost we have given that rupees 241 meter square. That is the rupees is converted to meter square. It is divided by 2. That is 249.48 meter square. That is the surface curved surface area of this hemisphere. The solve this the formula of surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. We find the radius of the hemisphere is 6.3 and radius find, then also find the volume of sphere is equal to hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 523.908 meter cube. Question is 27 solid iron sphere. That is the 27 solid iron sphere. That is the small sphere into 27. Total is 27. The 27 solid iron sphere is melted and converted to a sphere. That is the radius will be small r. All sphere will be same size and shape. That is the radius of small iron. That is the 27 solid iron sphere are melted and converted into a new sphere. That is the radius will be r dash. Find the radius of new sphere, that is the radius of small r. Therefore, this is converted to this. The both volume will be equal. That is the 27 volume of sphere with radius r is equal to volume of new sphere with radius r dash. Once again repeat the question. 27 solid iron sphere are melted and converted to a new sphere with radius r dash. Both volume will be same because this sphere is melted and converted to shape and size है तो छोटे छोटे आयरन स्फीयर, पर इसको मेल्ट करके इसने एक बड़ा स्फीयर बनाया है, तो दोनों की वॉल्यूम क्या रहेगी? सेम. That is the 27 volume of sphere with radius r is equal to volume of a new sphere with radius r. That is the formula of both will be spherical part. That is the formula of 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of new sphere with radius r dash 4 by 3 pi r dash की power 3. Cancel of 4 by 3 pi to pi. 27 r cube is equal to r dash की power 3. 27 means 3 r cube is equal to r dash cube. Power से power cancel, तो r dash is equal to 3r. The new sphere with radius r dash, the value of r dash will be 3r. Okay. Second, we find the ratio of s and s dash. S and s dash will be s and s dash. S will be the surface area of a small sphere and s dash will be the surface area of new sphere, that is the 4 pi r square upon में 4 pi r dash square. The cancel of 4 to 4 pi to pi r square. R dash will be 3r. 3r square, that is the r square upon में 9r square, that is 1 upon में 9, that is 1:9. देखो सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. 27 जो छोटे छोटे आयरन स्फीयर को मेल्टेड करके इन्हें कन्वर्ट किया है, बड़ा स्फीयर बनाया, तो बहुत वॉल्यूम विल बी सेम. तो वी फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ दिस स्फीयर r dash and second we find the s and s dash. Okay, 10th question. Next question is 10th question and last question of this chapter. A capsule of medicine in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. 3.5 mm, that is the diameter of this capsule. Capsule is the shape of the sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. The diameter is equal to 3.5 mm. So radius is equal to 3.5 upon 2 mm. We find the how much medicine in this capsule, fill in the capsule, that is the volume of this sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, the value of pi will be 22 upon 7 and radius will be 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5. 2 to the 4 and 2 से 11 times 7 से 0.5 times divided by 3. The multiplication of 11.5 3.5 into 3.5 67.375 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 12.458 centimeter cube, that is 12.46 millimeter cube. Millimeter cube, that is 12.46 millimeter cube. Very simple question. Only we put the value of radius and we find the volume of sphere. सही है. देखिए मैं कर दूं. That is the 22.458 millimeter cube. That is 22.46 millimeter cube. Okay.